Selamat sejahtera. Today we are from Group 36. We'll be presenting our data communication and networking mini project. Our group members consist of Nurain Zaida binti Muhammad Yusof, Aswawiza binti Asni, Nuatika Safia binti Azdi, Amanda Verayap, and Zurin Aisyah binti Zulkifli.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Nuratika Safia and I will be presenting the addressing scheme for HQ and branch. This is our addressing for HQ and branch. We have two, which is school name and school type. We have the subnet, network address, broadcast address, and the gateway. The HQ address we have from the first floor until the fourth floor. By using the VLSN technique, we will choose the most devices, which is the second floor with 12 devices, and the second is fourth floor with 10 devices, the third first floor with 4 devices, and third floor also with 4 devices. As for the cooling branch, this is the branch part where we have to divide the address, the subnet into two eco subnet, which is the 34. We choose 24 for cooling branch with house A with 4 devices and house B with 9 devices. As for school die with ground floor, we have 9 devices and first floor with 10 devices. Next, this is where we enter the IP address for devices. This is for example with the second floor for HU. This is where we entered the addresses, the subnet mask, and the gateway. It is also the same for the branches. In the branches here, the IP is the same one. The address, the subnet mask, and the gateway, like the table I just presented.
Hi, I am Amanda Vera, and I will explaining about topology diagram. Our topology diagram consists of 3 parts, which are headquarters Shah Alam, branch 1 Kulim, and branch 2 Skudai. This is the router for HQ. At first floor, there are 4 wired PC connected to switch 0. At second floor, there are 6 wired PCs connected to switch 1 and 4 wireless PC and 2 wireless notebooks connected to access point. This access point connected to switch 1. At third floor, it consists of 4 servers which connected to switch 2. All of these switches are connected to this wireless router 1. Then on fourth floor, there are 5 wireless PC and 5 wireless notebooks that connected to wireless router 1. In branch 1 Kulim, house A, there are 4 wired PC connected to switch 3 and 9 wireless notebooks at house B connected to wireless router B1. This wireless router B1 is connected to router BR1. Next, branch 2 Skudai. At ground floor, there are 9 wired PCs that are connected to switch 4. This switch 4 connected to this wireless router B2. Then on first floor, there are 10 wireless notebooks that connected to wireless router B2. This wireless router B2 is connected to router BR2. All of these routers are interconnected with 1.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurain Zahida binti Muhammad Yusof from BITS section S2G1. So I would like to present about Wi-Fi configuration. First, you double click to this Wi-Fi router and then go to GUI. And then for the internet setup, you must to choose wireless AP. And then don't forget to click save setting. And then click to wireless. And then name the network name SSID that you want to name. And then after that, below this 5 GHz, you click disable. And then this one also click disable. Just disable. And then click save setting. Okay, next for wireless security. Security mode, make sure you choose YPA2 personal. And then encryption, AES, and then passphrase. You can put whatever password that you want to choose, that you want to put. Okay, and then you need to click save setting. After that, go any wireless netbook that you want to. And then first you need to turn off this and turn off the switch button. And then after that you need to remove this, link it, and then remove this one connector, and then click this one YPC 300N, and then take the connector here, and then put this, and then click on the switch button, and then go to IP configuration, And then you need to put the IPv4 address and the subnet mask and default gateway based on the table. And then you go to PC wireless and then click here connect and then refresh. And then here the Wi-Fi configuration that I showed it previous. And then click here and then click connect and then put the reset key, the correct one that I put it before. So click connect and then the Wi-Fi has been connected to this wireless router and this netbook. So this netbook has been connected to this.
Hi, my name is Asfariza binti Azni, and today I will do a connectivity test between headquarters inshallah, HQ. So we will start with the first floor, and then we will try to check the connectivity between first floor, second floor, third floor, and fourth floor. So we will go to command prompt and ping the IP address of the second floor, third floor, and fourth floor, since this is the PC from the first floor. So I have wrote it down, the IP address, which is I refer from here. So we will ping for a starter for the second floor. And if we get the reply statement, that means it is already connected. So we will try with the third floor, between first floor with the third floor. So ping again. Also, we got a reply. That means it is already connected. Then we try for the fourth floor. Also a reply. That means the first floor already connected with the second, third, and the fourth floor. Next, we will do the second floor. And then we will try to test the third floor. Also got a reply. That means it has a connection. And then the fourth floor. Next, we will check for the third floor. It's disabled as. And then we will check for the fourth floor. We will move to fourth floor. I will ping the first floor IP address. Then we got a reply. That means it has a connection. Then we will try to check with the second floor. Lastly, the floor. So connectivity test between is successful. Next, we will try to check connectivity between HQ, Lim, and Skudai. So ping the address of Lim, and then ping for branch second branch. So the connectivity is successful for HQ. This is for Kulim. So we try to check between branch Skudai. So the connectivity is successful across different locations.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I am Sunun Aisyah binti Zulkifli. I will demonstrate the connectivity test from branch offices in Kulim and Skudai. And also I will show how to test the connectivity to the external web server. Firstly, let's test the connectivity from Kulim branch to Skudai branch. In Skudai branch, I choose the PC name B2PC1 at ground floor. I will copy the IP address into a notepad. And then the next device, I choose a notebook at first floor at Skudai. Again, I copied the IP address into the notepad. So to test the connectivity from Kulim to Skudai, I click a PC at Kulim branch. I open the command prompt and type ping and the IP address of the PC from Skudai. So the first one is ping 10.0.1.3 and it shows the replies 4 times. Secondly, I type ping 10.0.1.18, then it shows replies 4 times also. Thus, this indicates that the Kulim branch has successful connectivity to Skudai branch. Next, I will demonstrate the web hosting server test. The URL that we will use is stated in the notepad. The host that we choose is the PC at 4th floor in HQ. Firstly, open the PC and open the web browser. And then enter the URL of web server and click Go. A message is shown that indicates effective device and network configuration settings. This test confirms that the internal host can successfully reach the external web hosting server via the ISP router, demonstrating full internet access from within the network. That is all from us. Thank you.